This is Ritika from the Little Text. We have Ritika here, who's a woman entrepreneur, and she runs a business called YUKA CHAMPS. So let's know more about what YUKA CHAMPS does from the lady herself.
Hello to all of you, and thank you, Ritika. So we create and manufacture board games for children 3 to 12 years old, which is very unique. We concentrate not only on IQ building but also EQ building, which we think is the need of the hour. So our games not only make your kids smart but also kind, conscious, disciplined, and help in their overall development. So our main USP is we develop all our games from scratch. Each concept is new, unique, and it takes us 2 to 3 years to develop each of our games.
That's so nice. So are we supposed to touch it? Like how different is it, and why do children of today should be using that product?
So concept wise only it's very different from scratch, as I said. So we come up with a totally new concept which is not existing in the market. The gameplay is unique. We play test it with children like 200 300 number of times before we come up with any game, and we test its playability and how much children are enjoying it, how much children are learning from it. So it's very different from what you get usually in the market, which is like something remake of Ludo or Snakes and Ladders. This is a completely different gameplay, and children enjoy a lot, and it's the artwork is beautiful, very attractive for kids, and the quality is, we give best quality components in each of our board games.
But Ritika, how did you come up with this idea? How did you come up with this idea of creating something new? Because we are moving towards a digi world. We are literally getting AI as well. So how did you go back to the roots of doing everything without a digital device?
So yes, actually that's something which is our primary target, that we want people, family, kids to have a good quality offline time spending together. In fact, in this digital world, people are realizing the value to spend good quality time with each other, which is rarely happening nowadays. And our board games are one such thing which really gives not only the kids but family as a good quality time, because parents are also always in a search what to do with kids, how to spend good time with them also, and learning with it.
Absolutely. Thanks, Ritika. So one business tip that you'd like to share it with our young women entrepreneurs, could you please tell?
I would always promote having a schedule and disciplined lifestyle, because motivation, I feel sometimes it's up, sometimes it's low, but the discipline and every day working for something which you want to achieve takes you places wherever you want to go. So be disciplined, have a good lifestyle. I think that will take you places, and that will prioritize whatever you want to earn in life.
That's very well put. And one such example is of Ritika herself. Today she is not keeping well, but despite of that, I think she wanted to be here in this stall, and she is here with us. So thank you so much for sharing your story, Ritika.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.